Aside from its role as a sex hormone, were you aware that testosterone also has other important functions? It makes you feel powerful and healthy overall, and it also strengthens your immune system. But if you do not get enough of the essential nutrients in your diet, your testosterone levels may decline, which will make you feel lethargic, make it more difficult to grow muscle, and make you more susceptible to becoming sick. On the other hand, you can avoid the development of such a condition by eating foods that naturally increase testosterone levels. Today, we will talk about maximizing testosterone levels with these foods. Number 10. Avocados. A portion of avocado is a nutritious food item that contains a high concentration of boron and magnesium. Avocados are among the superfoods that naturally raise testosterone levels, and they are also suitable for vegetarian diet. Boron is well known for its ability to raise sex hormone levels, particularly testosterone levels. Consuming avocado to increase your testosterone levels is completely safe, but you should steer clear of boron pills unless your doctor specifically advises you to do so. Number 9. Berries and cherries. Berries, with their high antioxidant content, offer defense against the free radicals that might result from oxidative stress and the inflammation that obesity can cause. As a result of their high levels of flavonoid antioxidants, berries and cherries are foods that increase testosterone by shielding the cells of the Leydig gland from inflammatory responses. Therefore, depending on how you choose to consume them, you can either eat berries whole or make juice from them. Also, try to avoid artificially packaged food in favor of natural sources whenever possible. Number 8. Green and leafy vegetables. Green and leafy vegetables such as broccoli, kale, and spinach are undoubtedly nutritious and beneficial for overall health, but some aspects of the statement need clarification. While green and leafy vegetables are rich in various vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, the claim that they are essential meals to consume in order to increase testosterone levels is not well supported by scientific evidence. While some studies have suggested that certain nutrients like magnesium may play a role in supporting testosterone production, the impact of consuming these vegetables on testosterone levels is generally not significant when compared to other factors like genetics and overall diet. Green and leafy vegetables are indeed excellent sources of micronutrients, including vitamins and minerals. These nutrients are essential for various bodily functions and contribute to overall health and well-being. Green and leafy vegetables are rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to cellular damage and potentially contributing to various health issues. Antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress and supporting overall health. Number 7. Ginger. Consuming foods like ginger on a regular basis might increase testosterone levels in the body. Ginger is famous the world over for its unrivaled curative qualities, which include boosting testosterone levels, which are important for maintaining healthy sperm shape. You may either use ginger as a paste in your cuisine, or brew your own cup of ginger tea at home to enjoy its many health benefits. Additionally, fresh ginger is preferable to packaged varieties when it comes to effectiveness. Number 6. Onion. Onions are one of the foods that naturally enhance testosterone levels, and they are also widely known to have aphrodisiac properties. In addition to its anti-aging and rejuvenating effects, onions are an excellent source of antioxidants that are responsible for improving erectile performance. In addition, onions contain anti-inflammatory qualities, which means they prevent the buildup of free radicals, which can have a negative impact on testosterone levels. You can eat raw onion, make a salad with it, or use it as an ingredient in a prepared delicacy. All three of these options are delicious. Number 5. Milk products. Milk products can provide you with essential nutrients like calcium and vitamin D, in addition to being a good source of foods that enhance testosterone levels. Plant milk, on the other hand, can fulfill your daily dietary needs, even if you cannot tolerate lactose and are vegan. In addition to this, milk is well known for its status as a source of comprehensive nutrition. Consuming milk and milk products on a regular basis will refill your daily supply of micronutrients, which is essential for vitality and virility. Number 4. Seafood and fish. Seafood and fatty fish can be a valuable addition to a healthy diet due to their nutritional content, but there are some points that need clarification in the statement. Micronutrients and fat-soluble vitamins. Seafood, including fish like hilsa, pomfret, and sardines, can be rich sources of various micronutrients and fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin D, vitamin A, E, and vitamin K. These vitamins play essential roles in various bodily functions and contribute to overall health, including bone health, immune function, and blood clotting. Zinc content. Seafood, particularly shellfish like oysters, crab, and lobster, are known for their high zinc content. Zinc is an essential mineral that is involved in various physiological processes, including hormone production and immune function. Adequate zinc intake is important for overall health, but its direct impact on testosterone levels may not be significant unless someone is deficient in zinc. Testosterone levels. While some nutrients found in seafood may play a role in supporting overall health and hormone balance, the idea that specific types of fish are necessary meals that enhance testosterone significantly is not fully supported by strong scientific evidence. Testosterone levels are influenced by various factors, and no single food can dramatically raise testosterone levels on its own. Number 3. Pomegranates. Pomegranate is yet another natural aphrodisiac that has been shown to be effective in reversing erectile dysfunction. It contains a high concentration of iron, which means that it improves blood circulation, which is another aspect that is critical to the preservation of virility. Consuming pomegranates on a daily basis can increase testosterone levels, which is why these fruits are so popular. Pomegranate, which is abundant in antioxidants, helps to keep free radicals under control, which in turn has a number of positive effects on one's health, including delaying the aging process, lowering blood pressure, and increasing the number of red blood cells. In addition, fresh pomegranates are preferable to canned or juiced pomegranates. Number 2. Eggs. While eggs are a good source of nutrients and can support overall health, the claim that they naturally enhance testosterone levels significantly is not fully supported by scientific evidence. While some studies suggest that certain nutrients in eggs like selenium and vitamin D may play a role in supporting hormonal health, the impact on testosterone levels is generally modest and may vary between individuals. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, containing all the essential amino acids needed for muscle building and repair. Adequate protein intake is important for maintaining and building muscle mass, which can indirectly support testosterone production, especially when combined with regular resistance training. Number 1. Olive oil. Olive oil, which is considered to be one of the best dietary options, is among the essential nutrients that are known to raise testosterone levels. Olive oil is absolutely necessary for maintaining a healthy heart due to the high concentration of monounsaturated fatty acids that it contains. In addition, extra virgin olive oil is the superior option because it contains a higher concentration of minerals, such as vitamins E and K. So, let these foods be part of your journey to a healthier lifestyle, but embrace the bigger picture too. Listen to your body, prioritize self-care, and consult with healthcare professionals when needed. By empowering yourself with knowledge and making mindful choices, you can pave the way to a more vibrant, energetic, and confident you. Here's to embracing a balanced and fulfilling life, one that brings out the best version of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay empowered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for our channel so you never miss what's coming next from us. Thanks for watching.